All right, Tuesday, October 17th. So a couple things I changed on the chart since yesterday. I went ahead and added this indicator, this fair value gap indicator, which is in TradingView. It's one of the built-in indicators that someone created that anybody can use for free. So what it does is it basically just draws these red boxes or these imbalances, and I like to plot mine off the 15-minute chart, so I adjusted it to where it only draws these imbalances off the 15-minute chart. So it saves me a little time in the mornings from having to find these and draw them myself. I did add this opening high-low indicator right here, which basically just plots the opening from 4 a.m. So this blue line right up here that comes around this 436 level is where the price action opened up at 4 a.m. So this is a good level to know, because oftentimes after the market opens, price will come up, find this level. And that I did add is this DOHLC indicator. What this is the daily opening, high, low, and close. So what this does is it automatically plots the opening, the high, the low, and the close from prior days. So as you can see right here, we have the daily high, which was from yesterday, so automatically plots it with this green line. We have the daily close, so this is where the price action closed yesterday, which is this purple line. And then we have the daily open from yesterday, which is this green line right here. And then we have the daily low down here, which is this red line. These are also good lines to have up on your chart. Because once again, price action will oftentimes find these openings, highs, lows, and closes from prior days. So we'll see some reactions off these as well. And then as always, we have the volume profile here on the right. So these are the changes that I've made to the chart since yesterday, just so you know what all these new lines are and what they all mean, and then what I'm looking for when price action reaches them. So we have about 9 minutes to the open. We're going to be watching all these levels just like always, see if we can get some nice reactions off of them, and then find some good entries. All right, so market's been open about 15 minutes. We're just sort of trading inside this range right now. This is less than $1 range we've been trading in so far. And SPY is retesting this daily level and also the daily lows right here. So I'm going to watch to see if this is going to form basically a triple bottom right here, or if we're going to break down and test some of these lower levels. We have a daily line here at 432.33, and then we also have a daily pivot down here at 432. So it took a stab here on some puts as we come back down and test this for a fourth time. Stop above this swing high. So I'm just going to take that off right here. It's just stalling out down here, and I don't like this consolidation. So I'm going to take another stab here as we double top at this level. Just 5 contracts this time. So I attempted to get out here on the ladder, and it only filled 2 contracts at 147, and it just spiked up. So only 5 contracts, couldn't even get filled, all of them down here. So I just closed the rest for basically break even. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and call it here. Just had those 2 trades from earlier. I've been watching the market for a little bit longer. It's 10:35 now. We are just kind of stair-stepping up now, so I'm not going to chase this move right here. And we're just going to call it with those 2 trades, and we'll come back tomorrow and do it all over again. So overall P&L for the day, that first trade was a nice winner, and that second trade was pretty much a break-even trade. So overall P&L of 129 on the day. So I will take that happily after yesterday's red day, and we'll come back tomorrow, like I said, do it all over again. So leave a like on these videos if you enjoy the content. Consider subscribing. Leave any questions in the comments below, and as always, we'll see you next time.